Hello and Mingalabashing. World Polio Day is a day that reminds us of the power of vaccines, which are among the greatest tools of modern medicine. Polio cases among children globally have fallen by 99.9% over the past 30 years. This disease, which until recently killed millions of children and left millions more paralyzed or disabled, is that close to being eradicated. Behind this public health achievement are the efforts and commitment of millions and millions of health workers, community influencers, government officials, partners, parents, and caregivers around the world. Bringing vaccines to every child is at the heart of Unicef's mission to protect and promote the right of every child to health and survival. The immunization program of the Ministry of Health and Sports now protects against 13 vaccine-preventable diseases, and more than 90% of children in Myanmar are being covered right now. But in areas that are hard to reach or affected by conflict, coverage rates are still too low, and many children are still missing out. These areas account for almost two-thirds of unimmunized children, and they demand our attention. These are areas where the Ministry of Health and Sports of Myanmar, with support from Gavi, WHO, Unicef, and Rotary, among other partners, are focusing our efforts, going the extra mile to ensure that the hardest to reach children are reached. A wide range of strategies and approaches are being used, for example, working closely with ethnic health providers or adjusting immunization outreach and schedules to accommodate the busy work lives of parents in urban areas. We all have a role to play, and the marking of World Polio Day in Myanmar, with the great support of Rotary, reminds us what can be done when we work smart and when we work in partnership. The role of parents is especially important, and I would like to encourage all parents and caregivers who are listening to this message now to make sure to follow the advice of your health provider or doctor and make sure your children are vaccinated according to the schedule. Together, let's keep working to build a Myanmar free of vaccine-preventable diseases for a healthier and better future for children, which is a better future for us all. Thank you. Chezumyai Temareshi.